Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my barbecue chicken and beef sliders. My chicken breast has already been cleaned with lemon juice and has been washed off. I have currently just added 2 more squeezes of lemon juice for acidity. To make the chicken sliders, I'm going to use boneless, fresh chicken breast. I'm going to fillet each chicken breast so that the cooking time is decreased and to make the cuts thinner. Now it's time to add our seasonings. 3 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of parsley, 1 tablespoon of Mrs. Dash, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose chicken seasoning, and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now it's time to mix all the ingredients together. After everything is nicely mixed together, I'm going to put the chicken breast pieces in Ziploc bags and let them marinate overnight. After letting the chicken breasts marinate overnight, it is now time to cook them. I am going to cook the chicken breasts with a mixture of olive oil and butter in order to keep the chicken breast moist. I am going to sear both sides of the chicken breast on medium-high heat, flipping occasionally. Now that the chicken is seared on both sides, we are going to proceed to put the lid on top of the pan in order to ensure that the chicken is fully cooked. After all the chicken breast is done cooking, it is now time to add our barbecue sauce. I will be applying the barbecue sauce onto the chicken breast with a brush to ensure that there is even distribution throughout the whole of the chicken breast. After I am done applying the barbecue sauce to the chicken breast pieces, I will be popping it into the oven for about 5 minutes or less for each side. After the chicken is done baking, this is the final result. Now we will be moving on to our beef sliders. In order to make the beef sliders, I am taking a handful of ground beef meat and creating a ball with the meat, pressing it down with the palm of my hand and using my thumb to create a dimple in each patty to ensure that the meat is fully cooked in the center. I'm going to season both sides of the beef patties with salt, Mrs. Dash, and a little bit of lemon and pepper seasoning. I'm going to add a bit of olive oil to my cast iron and cook the beef patties over medium-high heat. After the patties are finished cooking, this is the final result. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell to get notifications of videos in the future.